emoji cards.
Today we are going to draw something super fun, a cute little house. First, we will start with the wall of our house. Draw a big square shape for the wall. Now we will draw the roof, which is a triangle. Perfect. This is our cozy house. Next, let's have a door so that we can go inside. Now for the windows to let in lots of light. Now the grass for some extra cuteness. Now it's time for a big tree beside the house. Draw tall trunks and on top make a big round shape for the leafy part. So cute! Our tree is looking so cozy next to the house. Now we will draw a fence for safety. Let's not forget the sun. Draw a circle in the sky and let's add some fluffy clouds. Now it's time to add some color. Wow, that's a rainbow. It's beautiful.